Would you want to tell me your name? Hi, sorry.
My name is Cinderella.
Cinderella is your name. Her name is Cinderella, guys. Carry this story. Okay, this is more fun. Alright. Hi, what's your name, buddy? Hi, Adrian. Nice to meet you. Hi, Abel. Wow, this is awesome. And of course, Team New is here as well. Thank you so much. You guys have really made travel easy all across the globe. Still waiting for my Neo car, alright? Yeah? You gotta send it to me like in the next 5 minutes. In the meantime, can I please request our glorious cast and crew of 22 years to kindly step up, and this is of course the photo opportunity for our winners in Team Neo. We do that first, and then after that we roll with the rest of the show. Thank you. At this point, of course, it will be nice to know which camera they're looking into. So Team 22 yards, kindly give us a cue. Straight only, wonderful. Straight only is good. Yeah? Everybody, straight only, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Congratulations to the winners once again, Cinderella. I'm so happy to meet you. Like, this is awesome. You too, and you too, Adrian. Thank you so much. You can, of course, take your seats and enjoy the rest of the show. This is for you. I'd like to request, of course, the cast and crew to stay back on the stage. Amadya, would you kindly stay back on the stage? I'm gonna, yes, please, please, everybody from the cast and crew, please stay back on the stage. I'm gonna pass this mic around. I'm not so sure how great it is in audio, but. Samrat, hi, would you kindly join us on the stage? Thank you so much. Barun, we got to hear from you because I know there is a lot of them just waiting with their cameras, waiting for you to speak and say a few words. So I'm going to pass the mic to you first. I know for a fact that this is a film that has come from a lot of love from everybody in the team. But today is, of course, the celebration of music. What do you think music means for this film?
The music, I mean, I love the music of the film, to be honest with you, that's all I can say. And the music actually meant a lot because initially when we were trying to figure out the script and everything was happening, we used to talk about it a lot that the music is going to be a very important part.
Correct.
And thanks to this young bloke and, today the music.
Correct. Do you have a favorite track?
Nadeem.
Nadeem, yeah, Rukja Nadeem.
Oh, I love that song.
It is amazing. Yeah, so do you want to pass it on to the creator of Rukja Nadeem at this point?
Hello again.
So this was the track. This is that secret track that
Yeah, we were, I played like a half-beat song in the bedroom at 1 o'clock at night.
That's amazing. And who else was there in that hotel room with you? Barun was there?
Varun was there,
Okay.
Dali was there, Nat was there.
And everybody was there. Okay, so this is your point, Director Sahiba. You gotta take the mic and tell us when you heard this song. Okay, what was it that stirred inside you and said you wanna make this a part of your film?
Actually, when I heard this song, I cried. I got emotional. And there's a part in my film where you need this kind of song. So I didn't. Normally, my habit is if I decide on a thing, I don't think twice. So if it strikes in my mind, so I take it.
You're a dangerous lady. You're a dangerous lady, I can tell you that. Women's Day is like a week away. I like women like you. This is amazing. So you just said that anything that comes to your mind, you're just like, you just...
No, not anything.
Not anything, okay.
Not anything.
If something strikes you...
It strikes my
that strikes the chord, okay.
I may just say I'm not a very confused person.
Fabulous.
100 times. If I like something, I'll decide.
That's it. Amazing. And that
so
was
actually,
your
I got emotional when he sang the song. And the lyrics were not all, finalized that time. So I got emotional and started crying, and I thought that this is very good for my film.
That's beautiful. I'd like you to also pass the mic on to Choiti. Hi Choiti, thank you so much for joining us today. You look resplendent, if that's the right word to use. You really do.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. Just want to get a couple of words in from you, of course. You've been part of some great movies, some great cinema. What do you think the music of 22 Years means for the journey of this film?
Well, I thought there are a lot of words which are not spoken. Between the characters, between frames, unspoken words were made into music. I felt like that. The connecting, the joining words, the joining characters and the joining sequence was only because music was there. So that I could speak with the music. I felt it like that.
How beautifully put. Thank you so much. I'd like to request you to pass the mic back on to Mr. Kapoor. Hi, thank you so much for joining us today. We missed you in the trailer launch, by the way. Just want to tell you that. And of course, this would be a great moment to tell the audiences, because we haven't heard from you yet, about A, the role in the film that you have, your character, and B, what your favorite song might be from the soundtrack, of course, today.
I think the first and foremost thing is, when the input is earnestness, sincerity, and love, when egos have been left behind, then the output has to be the same. Simple, input equals output. And the beauty of such a project is that the energies combined together, and that synergy is what just blossoms into that product. And that is what is there for us to see. उसकी झलकियाँ आपने ट्रेलर में, ट्रैक्स में, प्रोमोज में और इस म्यूजिक के साथ जुड़ी हुई है. And I think she put it very beautifully that the unspoken words are represented not only through the track but even the accompanying visuals with the track. They speak to you and they are relatable and they reach out, and ultimately that's all that matters. You don't need anything else to say much more.
Fabulous. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Your favorite song now?
I'm hearing the songs actually for the first time.
Okay, so here's my question.
Which is your favorite song?
So then,
I need to hear this.
I'd like to confirm one thing. You were not in that hotel room that night.
No, I wasn't.
इससे ये एक बात confirm होगी कि रजत जी उस दिन वहाँ पर नहीं थे, ठीक है? So
But I did have the chance to hear Amartya say those lines. And that time they had almost already decided it. So I know what was coming.
Beautiful, beautiful. So then we have this musical celebration for two sets of people. One is of course our wonderful media friends, and the other one is Mr. Kapoor. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. A big hand to the cast and crew, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. You've been such a wonderful audience. At this point, I'm going to request our cast and crew, of course, to make way.
की सक्सेस को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे क्या कहना चाहेंगे.
क्या कहना चाहिए?
क्या कहना चाहिए?
बात आपने जो अब सुना वो इस फिल्म की यूएसपी भी है ना, ये म्यूजिक उसका एक इंटीग्रल पार्ट है, उसका हिस्सा है.
खास करके बिकॉज गाने हमारी मूवी में कोई लिप सिंक सॉन्ग्स नहीं होते, तो मूवीज अ वेरी डिफरेंट जॉनर. सो दैट्स व्हाई म्यूजिक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज हमारे पास गाने शूट करने के लिए थे नहीं मतलब. सो ऑल द फुटेज दैट वी पिक्ड अप वाज फॉर द सॉन्ग. सो दैट्स व्हाई गाने एग्जैक्टली सेम वो इमोशन कन्वे करें जी. वो वाज इंटेंडेड दैट
ये गाने जो हैं, जो ये कैरेक्टर्स हैं, ये इनकी जुबान है, तो बहुत कुछ कहती हैं इनके लिए, इन कैरेक्टर्स के लिए.
अनसेड वर्ड्स आर स्पोकन
जी.
What is the storyline of the film? कहना चाहेंगे कि किस तरह से टारगेट ऑडियंस क्या रहेगा इस फिल्म का? Is the family kind of movie or particular?
I don't think there is any specific target audience simply because it's also a film about cricket. Yeah, please.
No, everyone I think who has a heart is the target audience.
Yeah.
And मुझे लगता है ये बस एक ह्यूमन स्टोरी है, और cricket is just a backdrop of it. So I think it's for everybody who connects to अपना जो बेसिक ह्यूमन इमोशन होता है उसके साथ जो भी कनेक्ट करते हैं उनके लिए.
So whether it's a 20-year-old or an 80-year-old, I think it's something that is, I would say, there's an earnestness to it which has an appeal for everyone. So there is no target audience. If that's just to answer simply. Yeah,
Okay, जब हम
everyone.
बात करते हैं क्रिकेट की, तो एक ऑडियंसेस के दिल में अलग ही क्रिकेट ने एक जगह बना रखी है. तो डू यू थिंक कि वो एक बेनिफिट होगा इस
ये फिल्म भी एक अलग जगह बनाएगा ऑडियंस के दिमाग में क्रिकेट को लेकर.
But I think that will, I think in all honesty it will make a difference because it's a cricket film. So the point is also अब इंडिया की स्टोरी बता रहे हैं, तो सॉकर को लेकर तो नहीं बताते या रग्बी को लेकर नहीं बताते. The most popular sport is cricket. So that's why the whole. पर और एक चीज़ भी है कि सिर्फ क्रिकेट like it's not just about cricket. Yeah, वो बाउंड्री लाइन के बाद जो एक इंडस्ट्री चलता है उसके बारे में भी है.
जो इनका किरदार है, इनकी पर्सनल जर्नी है, वो क्रिकेट से जुड़ी हुई है. So it's a personal story with the background of cricket, if I may put it that way.
Right, exactly. One common question for all three of you, both cricket and Bollywood are considered as a religion in India. दोनों बहुत बड़ा है, follow it. अभी हाल ही में जो हो रहा है, मतलब पाकिस्तान अटैक हुआ है, तो ये बताइए कि क्रिकेट जो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन होते हैं या जो क्रिएटिव आर्टिस्ट होते हैं, उन पे जो बैन लगता है, इस वजह से.
What does that have to do with the film?
It has to do because
How? But this is not about that. The film is not about that.
आपका पॉइंट समझ रहा हूँ.
Yeah, but this has nothing to talk about international sports and politics. This is the story of somebody who is in the field of cricket, but it's his personal journey. And that's what it is, and that's what the connection
my question
is.
is that freedom should be given to the artist and the sports person. Even
Yeah,
if
but
they-
that's a generic thing. I also say freedom should be given.
there's
I can say what I want, okay?
It's our
But you know,
democracy. We have freedom.
there is freedom. But see, every freedom also comes with certain conditions or limitations attached. Today, I have the freedom to say anything I want on this mic. Fair enough? If I abuse you on this platform, you will not like it. So I have to know where to draw the line. That each one has to understand that responsibility. That we have to understand. And that applies to everybody. Today, if you abuse me in front of the mic, I won't like it, and it works vice versa. So I think on a specific level, this generality applies to every profession, not just cricket or sports or the arts or the performing arts. Again, they are also part of the same cycle.
What about the quality content? People are appreciating quality content as such. It's not about star obsessed kind of audience nowadays, and it's not like about all the big stars gaining appreciation. With a very average film doing well at the box office. What do you
It's very simple. The content is king. It's proved that point, and I'm sure there'll be many more films to come where they prove that the content is the king.
I think थोड़ा टाइम लग गया, लेकिन I think the Indian audience is coming of age now, and it is always nice if good things are appreciated. The audience actually बहुत ज़्यादा tolerance नहीं है, is what I feel. You have to keep feeding them good stuff. You can't just live off of an image anymore.
See, there's so much to offer. Understand in today's times where we have the cell phone, where every form of entertainment is possible on that. So when the quantity, the supply is in abundance, then the choices that a person makes will be based on what finally? Content.
It's their choice to top it up, yeah.
I think everybody likes a good story also. Everybody likes listening to a proper good story. That moves people.
One more thing, you have played, very quality role in all your films from Gulam to Deep years. क्या कहेंगे कि जो character artist from Nawazuddin to Pankaj Tripathi, they are getting much recognition nowadays. I mean, the character artist, talking about the character artist.
Because they're good.
Exactly.
They're good. They're so good. So they're going to get good roles.
I think, in fact, I think it was not very fair. Pehle. Now the audience is coming of age. They like the characters to be real, and the
Because
actors appreciate
you see
it.
what is happening slowly, the concept of hero, villain, vamp has disintegrated.
Right.
So when you're looking from the 80s gradually and you turn into 2003, cross that and see the change happening.
Right.
So those stereotypes, those fixed images of what we have of a hero have fallen.
And I think people are making conscious effort to also break. Like good actors, they are so good that is also.
They're breaking those images themselves. Actors want to do it because I think the audiences have also become more accepting to that now.
Exactly the point. The story, and I mean, a good storyteller is always going to know what the intellect of their audience is, and when they know it's an intelligent audience, they're going to write the stories accordingly. And likewise, you need performers. So
So I mean, you see, technically, he is the hero of the film, but the character that he plays could be the hero too, because this is what is driving the two of them. No? So those what should I say?
Barriers
Those curtains and those barriers have just disintegrated, disappeared, whatever you may call it, dissipated.
it's about actors and stories right now. I don't feel it's about heroes and stars anymore.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lastly, family
Yes,
क्या
ma'am
कहना
here.
चाहेंगे?
Ma'am wants to ask something, please.
I want to ask about the title, 22 years. About the idea, how did it come in? And also,
And that's the length of the cricket pitch.
oh, okay.
The length
Of the
is
cricket
22
pitch.
yards. So
Oh, 22.
I think the director, when you talk to her, she'll explain as to why she chose this title. Let her explain that, I think, rather than us.
Yeah, rather
We
than-
should have one or two good
No,
questions.
I was
for her.
wondering what is 22 yards. It's
Please
very
ask her this. Please ask her this.
yeah.
And I think she should answer this.
Lastly, क्या कहना चाहेंगे हमारे audiences से for your film कि अभी बहुत
I
सर
यहाँ
मिलके
देखने आओ चलो. Yeah.
If content is king, then please do come and watch our film. Yeah.
Yeah, but we can just promise that it's not going to disappoint. It's
Yeah.
very like.
Thank you so much. ओके सो फिल्म का आज अगर देखा जाए तो म्यूजिक की सक्सेस को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले तो क्या फीलिंग लोगों को सॉन्ग्स इतने पसंद आ रहे हैं तो क्या कहना चाहिए?
I think music is one thing which it is so deep inside. So I think music is something which you take back from a film. You always take back, if you are lucky if you take back music from a film. So, and I hope, I pray, and I'm sure it's going to happen with talents like this and talent like Mithali, that people are going to take back our music back home with our film.
मिताली मैम आप क्या कहना चाहिए? एक फिल्म में सॉन्ग कितना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है और कितना ज़रूरी होता है एक स्टोरी को पोर्ट्रे करने के लिए? ये ठीक है.
I'll speak in English.
Yeah, sure.
So I always think that music should be a part of the narration and not outside the film. So it is a part of storytelling, and my songs also is through my songs I said the story moved forward and not just stayed in one place. I've tried that, and thanks to Bobo. And thanks to Amarto, thanks Nikita and Amit Mishra and Siddharth is not here. So they have all contributed in their respective places. Very nice, and he's the lyricist of Sanjay song. So I would, coming back to your question, that I never wanted my songs to be out from the story. And every song took the film forward. So it's a part of the narration.
ओके आप दोनों क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप दोनों का पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा मिताली मैम के साथ में काम करते हुए?
So I've sung the song Sanjay. Siddharth has written the lyrics, और this is composed by Boboda. और I think personally मेरे लिए ये बहुत स्पेशल गाना है, बिकॉज इसके पहले जो भी गाने किए हैं sung like an itemish song, a party song, a lot of different styles of songs, and this is one of the first few songs which is very very emotional, और बहुत इसमें beauty is abundant, and it all credit goes to Siddharth and Boboda for making it such a beautiful song. And when I got to know कि ये गाना निकलने वाला है and saw the visual and everything, I was super excited क्योंकि बहुत सुंदर गाना है. ऐसे एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा लगता है when you get to sing a song, such a song that you fall in love with objectively. Like if I hadn't sung the song also, I would have heard it and loved it. So, and that's like a double joy. So I really love being a part of this project.
All I have to say is that हमारी actually मैं पहले भी stage पे भी I was saying this earlier that I had a conversation with Mithali ma'am on the phone, and because ma'am was in Kolkata and we were in Mumbai, तो उस टाइम पे भी मैम ने she gave a brief as she was mentioning कि it's a part of the narrative, so the song talks about both the characters, and so that time we spoke over the phone. I got the brief from her clearly, and then वो बस हो गया. And I would really want to mention Bobo Raut's name. Bobo Da, we call him Dada, senior है. So his composition was such that the word Sanjay also stemmed out of the composition, the chorus that we were looking at, and then obviously keeping the brief in mind, the storyline in mind, and also keeping the song in mind कि अच्छा इस melody के साथ कैसा जाएगा. And of course Nikita and Pardeep have sung it beautifully. Like I don't think anybody else could have done justice to it.
Well, thank you.
Rukja Nadeem is again another song where I can see Kolkata a lot. I don't know, this is the best part of this Rukja Nadeem, that they will see it in their own way. I hope so, and I don't know, I have a feeling that when Rukja Nadeem people are seeing it in Delhi, they think Nadeem is stuck in Delhi, when you are in Kolkata, Nadeem is stuck in those fields, popularly known as Maidan, and Bombay, Nadeem is all over. So, that is so, this song is so deep inside a film which is supposedly a sports film, where Bande Daur is one song which is, very inspirational, and we feel about it. It goes with the narrative. But Ruk Ja Nadeem is one thing that you are really stuck. You are really stuck with the time, with that Nadeem concept, and of course how it intermingles with the city. That's the best part of it. When she was saying, you sang so beautifully the song, and again this song which you sang, it is so hatke from the whole milieu of the film. I think you have a
good
album. All.
And a lot of people ask me that they get confused about why this is a music launch and what is a celebration. I just wanted to make it clear through you all that people loved our songs, so we wanted to celebrate with all of y'all. And Ruk Ja Nadeem is coming on Zee Music tomorrow. They are launching it tomorrow at 12. So it's really a celebration time for 22 yards. Hope
We
people love it more and more.
heard them performing, Amartya performing, so that was extra bonanza for us.
Thank you.